Name one type of household waste that you can recycle. What's the first thing that comes to mind? Plastic bottles? Aluminum cans? Cardboard? Well, those are all correct, but you probably didn't think about glass. However, you're not the one to blame. 10 million metric tons of glass are discarded annually, but more than 70% end up in landfills. There, they lie for at least 1 million years before completely decomposing. For comparison, plastic only takes around 450 years. Broken glass can also pose safety hazards to nearby wildlife, as they may be impaled when walking over or inadvertently consuming bits of glass. There should be a better way to dispose of glass, right? Well, it turns out there's a very underpromoted and misunderstood solution. Recycling. The US only recycles around 30% of all glass products, far less than other countries. Take a second right now to guess the percentage of glass recycled in other countries. As it turns out, unlike the US, other countries are able to recycle up to 90% of their glass products. If they're doing it, why can't we? For starters, most people in the US think that the process is highly selective, cumbersome to take part in, and inefficient. However, the process is actually much simpler than what it is perceived to be. Unlike plastic, glass is made from relatively common domestic materials such as sand, soda ash, and limestone. From here, the material and other constituents are simply heated up and then molded into the desired shape. That's it. Because of its relatively simple chemical composition, glass can be melted and remolded practically as many times as needed, so it is 100% recyclable. Because of this, glass can, in fact, be used indefinitely in product after product after product. Talk about sustainability. The recycled glass, which is known as cullet, can replace up to 95% of raw materials and can reduce air pollution by 20% and water pollution by 50%. Using cullet not only decreases the cost of raw materials, but also lowers energy use in the furnace. These benefits, in turn, will lengthen the longevity of the glass manufacturing plant by up to 30% and encourage lower market prices. Another common misconception is that glass sorting and recycling is not sophisticated enough to provide the aforementioned benefits. However, with the latest technological developments, glass recycling has transformed into a cutting-edge technology on its own. For instance, recent developments in glass separation technology have led to methods with an efficiency of about 75%, significantly better than other methods. Glass separation technology relies on X-ray fluorescence and LED camera systems. The concept will replace older methods with a streamlined process that is both faster, cleaner, and more effective. Because of these modern innovations, glass has become an increasingly large part of the global economy. The market in 2017 was around $3.5 billion, but it's expected to rise to almost $6 billion within the next 5 years. At this rate, the future of glass seems to be extremely bright because there are dozens of possibilities, all of which will boost the global economy. Now you may be asking yourself, what glass products can you contribute and where can you donate them? Well, most of the glass products you have at home are recyclable. Only those that have a special coating, like Pyrex containers or windshield wipers, cannot be directly recycled. If your waste management company doesn't accept recyclable glass with curbside pickup, your best opportunity is to find a nearby drop-off redemption center. Glass recycling is also becoming easier. With the development of the Andover Glass Recycling Facility in Sussex County, New Jersey, which is expected to be the largest in the world, glass is becoming more and more popular as an option. Moreover, if you live in the city, it is even more convenient to recycle glass. Just look for recycling bins outside and you are bound to find one that accepts glass. Your donated glass will then go to a material recovery facility and be meticulously sorted, cleaned, and made into a brand new product, all without any hassle on your end. Even if you think the glass you contribute is not high quality, it can still be used to make tile, filtration, sandblasting, concrete pavements, and even parking lots. If you want something better to do with your glass than just dumping it in a recycling bin, try making art with glass shards. It's a glassy way to reuse glass and bring out the vibrant colors in each bottle. Or, if you want to be like Harry Potter, you could host a color-based glass recycling contest in your school or district. Recycling glass has been under-promoted in the US for far too long. If you want to change its future, start with what you can do today. Anything that is the byproduct of making environmentally conscious decisions, and thus going green, can make an enormous difference. Don't let this crucial moment pass. Please, recycle glass.